So what do you got today?
Hey, we got the ball chain that came in, and we've been waiting a long time for this.
Because this looks like ball chain, not a big deal.
Yeah, it's ball chain, but it's titanium ball chain. Let's
Wait, not stainless steel.
not stainless steel. Some
Not
some
crappy
people
metal.
have a reaction to stainless steel, and most people don't have a reaction to titanium. And let's see here, this is 2.38 millimeter. These little
Tiny balls.
tiny balls, and it's grade 4 titanium.
Okay.
And it is 39 inches long. So
That's a long length.
it's a long length.
What if I do if I don't need that?
Well, you can it's a removable clasp. You can pop the clasp.
Okay, so we pop the clasp. And then I
Yeah.
have some extra, right?
Yeah.
But no, I think you're going to do something better than that, right?
Yeah, well, hey, you get 4 extra clasps, so you get a total of 5 clasps. So if you want to make you want to make a bracelet,
You got the bracelet.
got a bracelet. You want to make a luggage tag, you can make
you
a
got that.
tag for your luggage.
Because you get the 5 little connectors. What?
But 5.3 grams. I mean, a dollar bill weighs 1 gram. So that's
And this is that information you have for when you go on Jeopardy?
anyway. It's very, very lightweight. It's got a cool cobalt color to it, but it is titanium through and through, including the clasp.
Okay.
So and 39 inches long. Or the what else was I going to say?
Seems like kind of an unusual item that you're really not going to find everywhere.
Not easy to find titanium clasp. It's to find it. It's nicely finished too. So. You could easily make a bracelet out of this and a necklace, a couple tags for your luggage tags or whatever it is you want,
Oh,
But
very cool.
very lightweight. Most likely will not react to probably 90% of the population. Some people have a reaction to nickel that's in the stainless steel. So
But that's this is titanium.
This is titanium. So it is approximately 1 meter in length.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.